Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. They were starting by cleaning the car. It's yet another day to wake up, work, wake up and work. Yep. Yeah, guys, this is the infamous morning run. It's a 2-kilometer run from where I live to where I work. Oh man, I will never ever forget this drive, man. It's one of my favorites. And I get time to think. I get time to think about my life and where I want it to be. And at the moment, my life has been just about, waking up, going to work, maybe going to wash the car, and then going to sleep, waking up, going to work, sleeping, and the cycle continues. So I think I need to make a change. I need to make a change for the better. I need some more fun. I need an adventure. Let me put it that way. But I need a positive adventure, not a negative one. And I'll figure something out and I'll get back to you guys. So for now, I'm actually at work. Let me go grind the day away. I'll see you guys maybe at lunchtime. Let's go. Woo! It's time to go for lunch. Let's go. So this is the after lunch drive. It's currently 2 p.m. Oh man, I think I should name these drives. I should have the morning drive and then have the lunch drive, after lunch drive, evening drive. Oh, maybe. Comment below. Should I name the drives? Like I put a title on top of the video for every drive, because I'm really enjoying this. Yeah, so guys, I was not able to go back to work. Right now I'm headed to town to attend to an emergency. Guys, I'm at the Mlolongo terminus for the expressway, and I got the ETC, man. So let's see if it's going to save me in this emergency. Let's see. Yep, it worked. Let's go. That was the smoothest ride I've ever had on the expressway. Now it's time to exit at the southern bypass so that I can head to Galleria Mall and get some dollars changed. Let's go, guys. And we are out to 28. This is rush hour traffic in Nairobi on a Thursday. It's around 6:15 and everyone is going home. That's why it's packed up. Let's go. Yeah, evening drive. check out the clouds. Looks like it's gonna rain, but I don't think it's going to rain.